Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Marcus just got done with his Facebook Live talking about carving a turkey, how to cook a turkey, part 1 and part 2. He did part 1 this morning. Part 2 is just done, and I thought it would be a great time to do my Facebook Live and get everybody in the festive mood and getting ready for Thanksgiving. So some of you are probably off and you're cooking today. Some of you are already having a drink in your hand. I'm gonna have a drink in my hand in about 2 minutes. It is Wednesday. We are closed here at Aroma Time. We are back open on Friday for regular service. Tomorrow we are only doing takeout from 11 to 2. If you do still need food for tomorrow, please give a call in the morning and I will let you know if we have anything available for you. We probably could do a couple more meals if we needed to, but we're only doing from 11 to 2 takeout only. Hopefully I am live here. I don't know if I am or I'm not. I haven't seen that post go up yet. Let's see. Hopefully I will be live here in a few minutes. Okay, people are now joining me. So getting ready for my cocktail time. It is Wednesday. We are closed here at Aroma Time. Again, thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Hopefully some of you have caught Marcus's lives today. He did a part 1 and a part 2, how to prep a turkey and how to cook a turkey and how to cut it and carve it after we cooked it all day today. So let's see if you are watching me live, if you can put #live, watching on the replay, #replay. I'm pretty much sticking with the theme of Thanksgiving this week, holiday drinks, and as we come closer to Christmas, I will also be doing some more Christmas and wintry drinks. So today I'm going to be making a Cranberry Negroni, which I think I have actually made before, but a Negroni has 3 ingredients in it. It is gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. I'm going to be using a cranberry gin, which I actually just used in my drink the other day, a Zamaro, which is a similar to a Campari, so a herbal bittery drink, and our sweet vermouth, which is on tap. So I will be making that today for you. Again, we are closed tomorrow for dine-in. We can do takeout from 11 to 2. We have about 150 meals that we'll be sending out tomorrow. And if you would like to order a meal, please give us a call in the morning. We are blessed. Yes, we are very blessed. Happy Thanksgiving, Shelly. Sharing is caring. I absolutely agree with you. Being thankful every day. Justin just arrived home from college, so super happy to have Justin home with us to celebrate the holidays. My sister and my niece and nephew will be here shortly. My dad and mom, we're going to be at their house. And we have some friends that might join us, and let's see. So yeah, super excited that my family will all be together. Courtney is here, and I'm very blessed, very thankful for everything that I have in my life. I am very grateful for all of that. So thank you for that reminder, Shelly, that Thanksgiving is about being blessed and being thankful. So, you know, one thing that I do with my staff, every staff meeting that we have, we talk about what we are thankful for. We had a staff meeting today. We all talked about being thankful, and I am thankful that I am in a position that I can give my staff off tomorrow evening. Most of my staff has off. There's a few of us working. They'll be done here by 3 o'clock tomorrow, and then they get to enjoy their family as I get to enjoy my family. So, say what you are thankful tomorrow at the Thanksgiving table. Teach children early and young what they are thankful for. We are blessed. We have amazing things around us. I'm sure you do as well. And we should be thankful for everything that we have in our lives. And I got to tell you, I sure am. So hopefully you will share that at your dinner table tomorrow. Talk about what you are thankful for. Go around the room. Everyone always says they're thankful for their friends and family, but I always make my staff say something more that they're thankful for. I want to hear what's going on in their lives, and more than just friends and family. Maybe an activity that they got to do, or a specific thing. I am always looking for that during my staff meetings, and I'm really blessed. Marcus and I ran 2.5 miles today. It's amazing day, beautiful weather, going on a hike tomorrow with a friend, so super excited. All right, let's make a gin Negroni. So a Negroni has equal parts gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. Again, we use Zamaro here at Aroma Time. I'm going to be using a cranberry gin and our sweet vermouth, which we have on tap. So let's get started. All right, so an ounce of each it gets. So I'm not even going to measure, but you can measure at home. An ounce of Zamaro, an ounce of cranberry gin, and I'm gonna pour an ounce out of our sweet vermouth, which you can't see on tap. I'm gonna pour that out. And our sweet vermouth is a little strong, so I'm gonna do just a little bit less today. And I'm gonna take that out. Hold that there. Oop. That was my water.
There's your water.
I said I hope it was my water. And I don't have any ice in my well, so I'm just gonna pour that out because I like my Negroni on the rocks. A little bit of fresh cranberries. Top it off with a beautiful blood orange. Oop, wrong way.
There we go.
There we go. Beautiful blood orange. And there we have it for my cranberry gin Negroni today. So let's see, what are you doing for Thanksgiving tomorrow? What are you going to be enjoying? What's your drink choice? Are you going to be making a cocktail? I was trying to look for something with maple, but Marcus wanted a cranberry Negroni, so here we have it. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you. I've been working real hard on my videos. I definitely will be doing more sharing with you. I'm talking about doing a podcast, so this is taking me out of my realm since the beginning of COVID. I've been doing these cocktail times. So yes, we always do that at the family table. Ralph, great, talking about what you are thankful for. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm gonna just take a little sip of this because then we're gonna take a picture, and maybe this will be our drink of the day next Wednesday. I'm not sure on our emails. That's delicious. I think all my drinks are delicious, but that is really nice. Not too much cranberry comes out in it, but it is really nice. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Cheers. Enjoy your family. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy life. And I will catch everybody. Maybe tomorrow I'll get a cocktail time in with Jamie. Not many of you will probably be on because you'll be with your families. Maybe just Thursday, maybe just Friday. So cheers. Enjoy your day tomorrow, and we'll see you soon.